way on the other side of the field too. I still think we'll just turn around and go back. We'll make a few circles and go back and see what kind of snake it was. They parked all their stuff right in the middle of where I make my circles. That's a good boy. That's a nice circle, buddy. Kind of my phone call would say I'd call back later. What a good boy. Now let's see if we can do one to the right. It's going to be a little bit weird because we've got the tanks in the way. Yeah, we don't want to run into the tanks. Look at you. Windy days are a good day to make circles, I guess. We were going to go out on a relatively short drive. This will be about 3 miles. Youngsters don't like trotting into the wind. I can't really blame them. I don't either. Saying, if I'm going to trot into the wind, I'm going to do it at a gallop. He's just being as steady and good today as he can be for a 2-year-old. He's being phenomenal. Shortened that check a little bit. He tossed his head and flipped it over the rain carrot. Nope, I want a nice, steady, working trot. Well, that was good news. He was startled at Mickey, but he didn't jump. You're going to get that dog one of these days, aren't you? When I was in the barn, I thought I had too many clothes on. Now I'm not I want them to learn that the world is not going to end if they canter. It's okay. It's not that I want them to do it, but I do want them to understand that they are safe doing it. That it's not the end of the world. There is not going to be a panic. And he's perfectly happy coming back down in about 3 or 4 strides, so maybe 5. But that's not unusual. These youngsters going into the wind, that's not a surprise. Let's go around behind the tank. That way we can avoid the culvert. Into a canter on his left lead for 1 stride. That was fine with me. What a good boy. What do you think of that, huh? No, we aren't going to go away from it. If we could stop so that I'm not in the spray, I would like that. It's kind of chilly. What a good boy. Shall we trot? Working trot. Today is all about exercise. It's not about trying for specific dates. In this kind of wind with a baby, I'm just happy to get them out and get them back without any exciting things happening. Nice relaxed trot. What a good boy. Whoop, you okay? What did you do? Bird on the ground and it just dove into the heat instead of flying away. Tractor that was there a little while ago. Does this give you an idea of right eye, left eye with horses? Just because they see it out of one eye doesn't mean that it's okay out of the other one. Walk on. What a good boy.